I'm Tyler, and we're back with another site safety video. Today we're going to be talking about rust guards and corrosion sprays. As you can see here, we've got some rust guard, and we've also got PPE you're going to need for rust guard and the use, like, and spraying of rust guard and corrosion sprays. So here we have the corrosion spray we use. This is well, the chemical name isn't important, but the important part is that it tells you exactly what it does right here and right here. So our corrosion spray is an irritant and a corrosive. Keep that in mind whenever using it, because it can actually hurt someone or just injure someone in some way if you're not paying attention to where you're using it or how you're using it. So these are the sprayers we use for these rust guards. So you've got your button right here and you've got a lock right here. You're going to need safety glasses, which I've got here, always have them on. You're going to need a face shield, a respirator of some kind, this one or one of the other disposable ones we have. You're going to need gloves, chemical resistant gloves, either these or nitrile, because just like for those of you who have been in a chemistry lab or any kind of lab, you use gloves for any dangerous chemicals or irritant chemicals that you're going to be using. So you want to treat these chemicals the same way you would treat those chemicals in lab. Be careful of the wind. The wind is actually important when you're using these sprays. So always make sure nobody's downwind of you whenever you're spraying. So if I were spraying on a container and the wind is pushing from my left, then I have to make sure nobody is to my right, so nobody will be inhaling that or getting the vapors or mist on their skin. Because these vapors can actually, they can cause like lung damage, they can make somebody choke, they can do a whole bunch of things that are not good for your health. So we don't want that. Remember, no casualties. So another thing is that these chemicals are very dangerous to the aquatic environment and sewer systems. So whenever we're done with these, most of the time you're just going to put them back in the tools container here. But if we are having to dispose of them, make sure they're disposed of properly, because anything that's dumped will eventually come back into our watershed and hurt our aquatic environment. See this right here? You can't use rust guard on this yet. So first you gotta grind it. You gotta grind it first. And then once it's grinded, there's parts under here that have been rusted and parts under here that are still covered by paint. You wanna get that paint off and kind of like buffing a car, you wanna take the top layer off first. Then you wanna spray the whole area with rust guard, sweeping the area, just coating this area, but obviously not too much to where it's like just drowning it. You wanna get it basically like just a coat. Then you'll let it sit, and it'll hopefully prevent rust from re-rusting on the container. I'm Tyler. Let's get building.